First was once simply a form of fungi. Cordyceps species are mainly parasitic on insects. Some cordyceps species are able to affect the behavior of their insect host. One form of this fungi causes ants to climb a plant and attach there before they die, infecting other ants who pass by its remains. Fossilized leaves suggest this ability to modify the host's behavior evolved more than 48 million years ago. Now it has evolved to control us. This fungi has recently evolved in South Texas to infect and control humans, turning them into practically zombies.
So have you heard of the new zombie infection?
No, what is that?
It's about it mutates with trees, and then when people like get close to the trees, they like
I think we lost him. I can't believe he's dead.